This is your machine when you will be received. When you receive, then you put the tube holder on your machine, then connect the wire for hopper for heating. Then these parts are connected with the inside motor. Then it connects with the same color are connected together. Then you can check the color are same. Only 1, 2, this one, and 3 connect together. Then filling the water from this hole and for this side. Then filling your material inside to the hopper. Connect with the hope holder, then you pack your machine with electric and connect with the air. This one is for connect your compressor. After connect with the air and the electric, then you turn on the machine and put 1 tube on the tube holder. Then using the manual motor and press the filling slider stop. Then for this here, you can adjusting the height for sealing. This part for adjusting the height. Firstly, you need to loosen this handwear and adjusting the height by this handwear. Then press the ultrasonic slider start. Then makes the two sealing holes come together. If the heights are okay, then it can be fixed. If not, if are too low or too higher, then you need to adjusting this handwear again. You can see this shows the ceiling height adjuster. After that, then put the it's open and back. And for this one, handwear to make it higher. Then press the finish start. Press the finish slider start and make the position a little high. To touch the tubes, just a little touch to your tube mouth is okay. Then setting the eye mark. You can see this is the eye mark. The color when you mark the sensor, then you press the on. Firstly, press the on with this one. It have a black mark on your tubes. Then when it marking here, then press the on button for 3 seconds and loosen. Then turn to another side and press the off for 3 seconds and loosen. Then try to turn the machine. Turn the tube holder. If mixed here, it will be on, means adjusting wheel. For another marks didn't on, and for the mark, it will be on. After setting the eye mark, then you can testing the model for automatic. Just press the on, change to the automatic mode, then it will be working with automatic. Then you're checking the sealing results. You can see it's engine strong sealing or not. If can be okay, then it means the setting are okay. If not, you need to. If it didn't see anywhere, you can try to add or decrease the waiting time is okay. Also, for the different tubes, normally the delay time and the holding time can be fixed. Only need to change the waiting time is okay. For example, if the big tubes, the waiting time will be longer, and for the small tubes, the waiting time will be shortened and decrease the waiting time for sealing the small tubes. This page are the time setting for adjusting. Now we setting the filling volume. Firstly, using a manual cup or container to press the filling start and testing the filling volume. How much for filling one time? Then try again for testing. For here, this is the hardware for adjusting the filling volume in this side. This hardware. And press the filling start. For now, you need to setting for 60 grams. Repeat this testing for a few times to get the filling volume you want. Then like now, if you see it a little beyond the filling volume you want, then just adjusting this hardware for smaller is okay to get the right filling volume you want.
说了就是，反正我看它这个在下降的话，看它这个，它这个在下降，往这边转，在下降，它就灌装量就会少了，这样子。往这边转的话，它会上升，上升就是就灌装量就多了。
Then just adjusting this hardware is okay. This side is the smaller filling volume, and for this side is the bigger one.